You've seen how Claude showed its thinking, you've watched it critique itself. Now I'm going to show you how to make Claude compare multiple approaches side by side before choosing the best one. This is the final step in your AI reasoning toolkit. Welcome to 5 Minutes of Boodle, where we're building a post-AI classroom 5 minutes at a time. BoodleBox lets you use multiple models, build bots, and collaborate with others all in one's ecosystem. I'm Sarah Gibson, and I help educators turn AI into action. In episode 1, we made Claude show its work. In episode 2, we made it critique and revise its thinking. Now we're going to push it one step further, exploring multiple paths before committing to one. Here's today's prompt. Show your reasoning using 3 different approaches to this problem, then explain which one you recommended and why. This forces Claude to think divergently, explore multiple methodologies, compare trade-offs, and justify the final choice. Simply add this to any prompt. Let's go ahead and see it in action. Design a group project for teaching research methods to undergrads. So Claude gives you a really solid approach, but the question is it the best one? Now let's add the comparison prompt. Design a group project for teaching research methods to undergrads. Show your reasoning using 3 different approaches, then explain which you would recommend and why. So the first approach is a research pipeline project. The second is a parallel methods comparison project. And the third is a research simulation. And the one that it recommends is approach number 3, and it also tells you why. It gives you some tips too, and looks at potential challenges and solutions. You're no longer getting a single answer, you're getting a decision matrix. Use this when you're designing curriculum, making strategic decisions, or solving complex problems. Now, are you ready to go to expert level? Start by asking Claude for 3 approaches. Next, have it critique those approaches. And finally, ask it to create a hybrid approach that combines the best elements. Would you like all these prompts in one place? Check the description to download a handout today. You've just turned Claude into your own personal think tank. You now have the complete 3-part toolkit for sophisticated AI reasoning. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. This is just one way BoodleBox helps us build a post-AI classroom. If you're curious to explore, there's a 1-month code in the description below. Remember, start small, build with intention, and together we're shaping the future of education.